In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fifine T669 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which laptop you have, maybe a Mac laptop, a Windows laptop, you will be able to connect your Fifine microphone and use it as an input device. You can use it to talk with others in apps like Discord, Google Meet, Zoom, or inside of games. So most Fifine microphones, including the T669, are going to be connected using USB. So you will plug one end of the USB cable into the microphone and the other end will go into your laptop. So it is extremely simple to set up. You don't have to download any sort of additional software, any sort of program to set it up. So you plug one end of the cable into the microphone, make sure that you look below it for the proper USB port. This one is going to be USB-B, and then the other one goes into any of the available ports on your laptop. If you have a different Fifine model that has a different connection type, most likely XLR, then you will need an audio interface, but for this particular one, for this video, it is going to be down to connecting it to a USB port. So once this connection is established between the microphone and your laptop, you are basically good to go. If you go into the settings and you access the input category under sound, you will find it available here. So go into the input options and it is going to be listed either as Fifine microphone or USB PNP audio device. Just select it from here, adjust the input volume, and if you go inside of any game, any application that supports the usage of microphones, it is going to be listed under there. If you set it as the default input device, then it will be selected automatically, and it's as simple as establishing the connection through USB. I hope I was able to help you on how to use or connect Fifine T669 to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.